Alright, folks, check it out. We're back. We're back in action. And you know why? Because we finally got some parts that we need. And tomorrow, I'm gonna go pick up a new hydraulic steering assist. Now, if you remember in my last video where we were working on this thing, I've got this part here that we've got where it was shaved out, more so passenger side steering arm. But look at this. The guys over there were nice enough to send me another one. Well, I bought it, but the guys at WFO, the folks over there, guys and girls, I don't know who, it was a guy who obviously I talked to, but I'm sure there's some girls working there. But anyways, this is now gonna be the right part that we need for this. So I gotta swap this out. And then I needed these bolts that bolt in. Come here. Walk with me. So on this Dana Kingpin 60 here, I've got these bolts here, and they will bolt into there so that I can finish bolting my leaf springs on. So recap, we've got the shocks mounted. I may have to buy a spacer later on to fit in here. I think we're gonna get some bendage out of that, but if so, we will, if that happens, we'll cut these off and we'll mount a custom little piece right here. I'm gonna have to bolt that probably to that, and then we're going to put the brakes lines. We're gonna put those brake lines back on. We got the caps in right there. We're gonna install those. And then the only other thing that I'm gonna have to do is tomorrow we're gonna go pick up a new hydraulic assist ram, and then we need to figure out a mount for this. So yeah, I don't know how we're gonna mount that up. Might have to see if we can't weld on some sort of fancy bar right here to this. I don't know, maybe we can make a little bracket fit on the top or just under this or something, bolt onto there. But anyways, we're gonna have to figure something out. Might have to cut this one off. Basically, this is what's fitting on the other one, so we may have to build some sort of bracket like this because I need to get that stabilizer bar mounted up to the new axle. In fact, actually, that's a really good setup. I'm gonna have to do that, but it's gonna have to be custom. But I know a guy. I know some welders who are gonna be able to help me out here. So stay tuned. That's what we're working on today. We're gonna get these finished up so that we can get the other stuff. Oh, I may have to cut off that bracket. I don't know what that bracket there is for. If any of you know, tell me. Also, we need to obviously mount up my driveline. Get that mounted up, and this brake line over here. So here we go. We're gonna get started. Hey guys, girls, whoever watches this channel. I wanted to just pause the video for just a second real quick and remind you guys to go down, click the links below, and buy something from Amazon. If you need a shirt, if you need a part, if you need anything from Amazon, just click any of those links below and go buy it. It'll take you right to your app. And then if you buy something, doesn't matter if it's what the actual link is, I'll get a little commission. And then I can keep working on the Suburban. I can keep doing stuff to this truck and the square body. So I'm selling the CTSV. Breaks my heart, but I'm selling the CTSV because we're gonna start building the crew cab. I was gonna buy something else, but I think my wife convinced me we're gonna start building the crew cab. So go down, click the links, support, and if you like bucked up energy, I'm gonna affiliate with those guys. I'm gonna start losing some weight. I'm gonna start getting buff, and we're going to drink their products. I've already been drinking their products. I like their products. My wife's over here. She's on the porch. She's laughing at me because I didn't know she was here. But anyways, go down, buy some products. First link right below in the description is bucked up. Go buy you some energy stuff. It's good stuff. Some pre-workouts. Oh, it's good stuff. Folks, check it out. I shaved. I'm bald. But check it out. I've got a little bit of a dilemma here. Now, all you experts, all like 60 people who are gonna view this video, I got an issue here where these studs that go into the Dana 60 Kingpin top plate here, they're into the axle. So there's actually studs into the axle. You can see the way the axle's built right here. There's only one U-bolt here on this side, whereas that side you got two U-bolts. Now here's my dilemma, okay? I've got those U-bolts over there, okay? The way these axles sit, they're kind of like this. Anyways, so this top plate here and those U-bolts back there, they're kind of at an angle like this, right? That's how the top plate fits on that, and the bottom plate fits on that. Now, let's see if we can get in here to see. But if you can see, there's a little gap in the top plate here. Well, a little nut that's in the bottom there. Basically, I had to kind of cut a little bit of that hole out there. Hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna bolt these down, but my dilemma, my issue is this gonna throw off my alignment, because these U-bolts are gonna be kind of straighter than those ones. Is that Is that gonna tweak my axle? Because it's not gonna be at the right angle? Am I gonna have to try to somehow bend these bolts just a little bit this way so that it'll, you know, be at an angle with those U-bolts? I don't know. I don't know enough about this crap to know. So I think I'll take a few pictures, and tomorrow when I am picking up the Ram, I will try to ask the folks there about it and see what they recommend. I do, because I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna bolt those up just a little bit and see if it kind of straightens out. I don't think it's gonna straighten out. Like, those bolts are like straight up and down. So anyways, it's hot in here. I need to get like an air conditioner unit in this joint if I'm gonna be out here working on these things. Next up, coming in the garage, it's gonna be that crew cab out there. It's gonna be a tight fit. I need to go measure how long these things are, because I got a couple feet. Well, I got plenty of room right here in the front. It'll be a tight fit, but back there, anyways. So that's it. Well, I haven't hooked up this brake rotor yet because I was gonna see what the deal is with this axle. I haven't hooked that up yet because I need to see what we're doing here. But it took me a while, and I don't know if what I'm doing is correct. Anyways, let me just show you here. Stay with me, folks. Stay with me. It's not gonna take very long, but we're gonna take this top plate off so I can kind of show you where this thing mounts up at. So you can see here, you can see this bolt right here. It's not in the middle, okay? Now on here I ground. I kind of took a little bit off of this side here so that bolt might fit a little better in there, because it's like literally right here, so it's not center. See how that's like more center with those bolts? That is definitely off center, so it's, you know, yeah. So my dilemma was, I was gonna see if, do I try to bend these bolts, heat them up, get some nuts on them, hammer them so they're kind of at an angle so that my top plate will fit, or do I just throw the top plate on here? Because it's not really gonna, this top plate I don't think is really gonna matter, because I've got the bottom little nub that fits right in the axle. So I think that's what's gonna keep my axle straight. So I don't think that's gonna be as big of a deal as I thought. But I'm not an expert, like I said. So if any of you guys have any advice, if any of you guys are watching this video, I know several probably aren't even watching, but anyways, yeah, smile every morning, be grateful for all that you have, because I'm grateful that I get to, dude, I'm grateful. I cannot wait to drive this thing, man. This axle, whoo, look at this bad boy. She's in. All right, we're gonna get some stuff all fixed up. I'm gonna put those nuts on real quick. But that's the end of today's video. Stay tuned, because we're gonna finish this off. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go get a new hydraulic assist right here. So, yeah, buddy.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.